So for this lab, we're going to go and run a denial of service attack on our victim machine. First thing I did here was ping the victim machine, make sure that we had connection. So all these pings were received. There was zero packet loss, which is beautiful. It means we're on their network. It means we're able to connect to the machine. And then I started up EtherCap. So EtherCap initially starts sniffing. EtherCap sometimes finds the host, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why it does that. But this is our victim machine right here. We're running Apache Ubuntu, the Apache web server on our Ubuntu machine. And as you can see here, it does act up. It does act correctly. Current state of it is active, so it is running. Since this morning, it's been running. So let's go ahead and start our attack. So we choose our DOS attack, DOS, denial of service, and the victim's IP is be 192.168.19.131, and it does ask us for fake IP. 168.19.141. So it started denial of service. So as you can see here, it's just being sending a lot of traffic to my web server. And now let's go back to my web server, and you can see here it won't load. It fails to load. It breaks it completely. For the time being, while we're running this attack, it's broken. So now let's go and stop this attack. Go and stop it and just unload it, deactivate it. So we get, and now we start and stop the server, or stop and start the server. It'll react normally again. So now let's go to run MSF console. So as you can see here, I've been running it. But let's log into MSF console. We're going to do a synflood now into our victim machine. So what we're doing here is we're starting up the MSF console command prompt, so we can go ahead and run the command. Excuse the delay, it's taking a little bit longer than I would like it to. So it's right there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, I'm just going to search synflood, which is a great thing about MSF console Metasploit, is that you could search for synflood, you could search for the attack that you want, and it'll search its repository and it'll find it if it's there. So it's right there. So then all we're going to do is we're going to use synflood. Use this auxiliary. So then let's go and show options. Okay, and as you can see there, you do need an R host. It's going to set port 80. So let's go and send an R host. Set an R host. And we want it to be our victim machine, I mean. So let's go and set that to our victim machine, and then go ahead and exploit. And then you'll see that it's flooding with syntax, and you can see here in Wireshark that a lot of syntax are being sent to our victim machine currently. So we've essentially taken it down from the network. We've taken the machine down. We're denying it service with a synflood attack. So yeah, that's how we do that.